Is it?
The eggplant.
Yes, it's like a Thai eggplant.
The small
Let's
eggplant.
try this out. Oh, dang, that looks good. Just cut that by hand there too. Let's try it. See?
Really good. That's like
Very good sauce.
yeah. I think the sauce for that is here.
Yeah. So I like the sauce.
Does it need sauce?
Very good. It's full of vegetables and stuff.
Oh, it is?
Oh, no, sorry, mushrooms.
Yeah. You have to record this. The sauce in the bag.
The sauce in the bag. Oh my God, that's so Southeast Asian right there.
Coconut is it good? Oh, she didn't answer me. Chinese auntie the one answer.
Yeah, they're working in Mandarin. Yeah. Oh shit.
Wait, cheese.
No, drop it in. You're gonna drown it.
You want to put it right here?
That's a good idea. Oh man, that little sauce. Game changer.
Right there. You order chicken wing?
Yeah.
Chicken.
Can we?